Hello, how are you doing? Yes, I would like to show you how to use Samsung Health. I think that everyone want to be a good health, right? So Samsung Health app is the app that could help you, yes, about your health, good health, and healthy as well. So firstly, you need to go to the app, which in a Samsung phone, mobile phone with Android. You go to Samsung, yeah, you go to this menu, yes, and then you could go to Samsung Health. Where is Samsung Health? Yeah, Samsung Health is here in the middle, like this. Yeah, like this, like this. Click it. Yeah, so now in here, the Samsung Health already record my activities such as walking, yes, walking, food, yes, active time, exercise, food, yeah, wage, yeah, record wage. So normally I use walking, running, and cycling. So at the exercise, yeah, here all the exercise that I cycling is show like this. Yes, it's show like this. You can see, and it record also the date and time which we do the exercise, yeah, like from May 16 to 22, cycling on May 21. Yes, you can click and you can see. Wait a moment, please. Yes, here that where I am cycling, and it record, and we could show bigger, like bigger than this. We click here. Yes, this is in Phnom Penh that I use cycling. Yes, and the Samsung Health app, it records us wherever we go. Yes, so we go back and then back. One more thing, you know, it not only record our map of cycling, but you can click again and scroll up. You will see average speed, maximum speed. Yes, average speed, maximum speed, lowest speed, and highest evaluation. Yeah, and workout detail. Workout detail is like this. Yes, workout duration 1 hour 8 minutes, total duration 1 hour 44 minutes, distance 19 kilometer. Here distance, and yes, it reason comparing, yes, from May 21, May 20, and May 11. So how is the weather? So like this. Yeah, we go back. So how to use cycling? Yeah, we back here, Samsung Health. So cycling, you may see in the middle at the exercise. Yeah, at the exercise you can see running, walking, and cycling. So how to cycling? Measure your cycling activity. Yeah, you can go. No, you just click cycling. Yeah, this one, and you could set your target. Yes, it's here. You could set your target. So my target is 15 kilometer point 5. So yeah, this is target, duration target, burn calorie target, route target, basic workout. So which one you want? To me, yeah, you can click the +1 sign and a minus if you want to lower kilometer distance. If you want to more up kilometer distance, you click plus. Yeah, you can see, and then you can click start at the middle, no, at the button button. Yes, you can click start, please. And GPS is signal weak, so it means that the Wi-Fi or internet provider is so slow, so it show the message like location tracking may be inaccurate if your phone does not have a strong GPS signal. try to stay in open area during your workout. It means that also internet is weak, and so that GPS signal is also not strong. So yeah, we can click continue because sometimes it's so like this, but some place somewhere the internet and GPS sometimes strong, so we click continue. Yeah, so like this. So we start the cycling. So you just turn on like this, and then you go cycling, and then the message from the Sumsung Health will notify you where you go, where you reach out, where you your distance, your duration, your turn right, turn left, and your pause out, resume. So here you can see. So this is only my example, and you can see the thermometer from 20, 40, 60, 80. That is your average duration and distance and speed, kilometer per hour. So sometimes I use not 20 but around 25, and sometimes 10 or 14, 15 only, because cycling is not like running in the easy road, something like that. Yeah, so when you would like to push, you just click push. Yes, and then resume, you can click resume, so it go again. So it, yeah, when you reach out till 16 kilometer or under 16, you can click pause and click finish. Yeah, or over 16 kilometer, you can click finish. Yeah, so now we can click finish. Okay, so that is on 0.0 kilometer, because I'm not cycling. I just make it for example for you. So yes, and this is the result of the cycling. So you will see the temperature show out in the platform, yeah, in the app. And image, you can take image, you can click in your note here where you go, how many people cycling with you, or something like that. Yes, now we go back, and then this is for cycling in the Sumsung Health App. Yeah, another one, this is running, walking. So walking, you just click on the walking button, and then you can set the distance target. Yeah, distance target. Yes, distance target. Yeah, 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 1/2 kilo. Yes, up to you. With you start going and turn back, and then you just click start. Yes, GPS signal weak, so you can click continue. It's like this. Yes, this is you can start walking. Yeah, now I'm start walking. Okay, I'm start walking now, and the average speed is 5.3, 5.4 kilometer per hour. So now the remaining distance is, yes, one. Yes, now because this is I'm running in my house. So yeah, you can click pause. You can click pause, and if you want to continue start walking, you can click resume, and you want to stop, you click pause, and then you click finish. Yeah, when finish, yeah, I just test for you walking to show you. So yeah, 0.02 kilometer, that for example for you. And yes, and this is the chart which show you how your average speed, maximum speed, workout detail. Yes, only 28 seconds, total duration 41 seconds, distance. Yes, okay, it is show out what you are walking. And for running, it's not so far different. You just click running, Yeah, lining workout coach. Just go start. Yeah, continue, and then start running. Yeah, now I'm test running.
Start by warming up gently.
Yeah, Samsung Health can also show you running activities, a symbol, and also tell you by voice from the Samsung Health App. That is good. That is good. Yeah, and then you can click push. Yes, click post. So how is the result? You can click finish. So to me, I just test for you. That is workout detail. You can see workout duration, total duration, distance, workout calorie, total calorie, yes, and the degree particularly for you. Yeah. So back. That is the running activity, walking activity, cycling activity, and we have more. You can click here. Yes, not only running, walking, hiking, swimming, treadmill, exercise bike, elliptical trainer, weight machine, yes, circuit training. There are a lot of activity in the Samsung Health that very good for me. I would think that it's also very good for you. So now we click back. So not only this activity, but you can go through home button at the bottom. You can see the together. You can click, yeah, click together, walking together, or something like that. Yes, you can see. Yeah, okay, and you can see fitness. Fitness you can like yeah, yoga. You can sleep. You can use the like meditation, mindfulness. You can see here. Yeah, mindfulness, meditation, sleep story, music. You can click here to see more. Take deep breaths. Yeah, this is for sleeping. So you can see the this you and some music for meditation, basic level. Yeah, you can hear. This is the waterfall, like water dancing, something like the sound make you sleepy. Yes. So there are a lot of tools in the Samsung Health. So we can go back. Yeah. You can, maybe you could click here like this. Baby step. Yeah. Confirm, and you can, yeah, you need to add some program with you. You can follow the instruction by Samsung, like meditation again. Yeah. Yeah, you can see the sound is so good for you, right? You can click like yeah, here and go to try 1 week for free. So if you would like to go to premium, you can purchase. Yeah, yeah, okay, and you can click here. Try 1 week for free. You need to buy credit, sometimes. There are a lot of you and yeah, like this. Okay, music, yes, sleep story. You can see your sleep activity, meditation, yeah, music here. So this is a Samsung Health activity. Okay, so back to home. Okay, thank you for your watching. Please have to like, share, and subscribe. But if you would like to have more videos, just click subscribe and like, share, and if you would like to have any more kind of video, you can click comment on the below of the video. Thank you very much. Thank you.